Today I'm doing another door, which has got, what's happened with this front door is it's a special custom colour, factory finished sort of painted UPVC door, factory sprayed. And what it is, when they put the protection on, when they're protecting the doors on the construction of the building, pulled off the tape. The tape's been baked on to the surface using low quality tape. Low quality tape, when you pull it off, when it's been baked on, it turns the adhesive on the tape into a hard white sort of residue, and when that gets stuck in the grain on something like this, it's virtually impossible to get it out. You've got to use like tiny toothbrushes to get it out, and it takes such a long time to do without damaging the actual surface. Not the only way to do it is to mask out the door, sand off, 240 grit to level it out. Put an anti-silicone over it, over the whole door, light sand, and then a full respray, a mist coat in any areas where it's broke through the paint on the UPVC door. Just slightly prime these areas back in again, and then recoat, which means obviously masking everything out, using a near enough colour match to recoat. It's a shame that, because it's happened on quite a few doors. Nice houses these as well. All fully carpeted. I'll just show you around. Got a nice sized front room, or dining room I imagine. Got a nice kitchen here, all fully fitted, quite high quality. Not sure what make of kitchen it is. Let's have a look inside these doors. I don't know, it looks like a Howden's. It's not got the manufacturer's badges on. Got a scratch here, got a bit of paint. Patio doors. Shed, you even get a shed. Should do for the price of charging for these houses though. You've got a utility room, sink, a cupboard, then you've got another bathroom in here. That's quite nice. Let's have a nosy round again. Upstairs. Oh, I think. Yeah. Look up here. Frosty glass on the side for privacy. A nice spacious hallway. Front bedroom. Front bedroom's got ensuite. Front bedroom's got a nice ensuite shower. Really nice tiles on. Really nice, like 3D effect. Nice shower, tiles. Quite like them tiles as well on the floor. Really nice one. So front bedroom ensuite. And we've got the other front bedroom, which is just a smaller room. Got the main bathroom, which is it's got quite a nice, lots of 3D effects. Profile tile, quite an unusual tile that. Excuse me, the way it sort of feels and looks. It's nice. Nice tiles, nice bathroom floor. Back bedroom. Quite a nice size room, but what's nice about this, you've got a beautiful view. Fields. You don't know how long that's going to be like that for though, do you, these days? That's a nice view, that. Yeah. Lovely. We'll come out of here, out of this bedroom, we've got another back bedroom. Quite a nice big one as well. Plenty of plug sockets. That overlooks storage area here. It's all nice. Yeah, it's quite a nice house. Detached, but quite expensive. We've got the boiler in the garage. Big boiler system. Not a bad size garage. I'm back in Manchester city centre. I'm repairing where they fitted these anti-skateboard devices to stop people skating on top of the granite cappings on the planters. They fitted about 100 of them in the wrong place. There's the old holes. So I've got to fill. I don't know, there must be hundreds of it with those holes. Fix them in the wrong points and put them on the joints instead of in the middle. So that's my task for the next couple of days. I'm not looking forward to this because there's a lot of them. Right, so got a touch out trolley out. Another job in Sale, Manchester, and just refurbished offices. Working for this particular company is just checking the doors for damage, American red oak veneer, and polishing the edges up, getting rid of pencil marks, checking for any defects on the vision panel glazing beads. Some of them need going over again. I think the decorators must have filled them. Well, someone's filled them, but they're not done them very well, so that's my job for tonight. Nice finished offices. This is what I like. Working in jobs like this are brilliant. Bring me in at exactly the right time to make sure that obviously if there's any damage caused by other trades, it's done. I'm not going over stuff over again. If you bring someone in like myself as late as possible to do the touching out. Okay, thanks for watching.